Hi everyone, I'm Tai.
I'm 小静。
Welcome to the third episode of Chinese English Tea Vocabulary.
欢迎来到第3集的中英双语茶词汇。
好 ，This series is about like sharing the tea culture vocabulary. 我们这个系列都是在讲就是中英茶词汇，让大家能多学习，无论是
想要学
英文、想
想
学中文的朋友们都可以。And then we're starting with the teaware vocabulary, then move on to tea. 一样是从茶的道具开始，然后再到茶。So let's go.
Teapot.
Yes, there are so many teapots here, from small.
Teapot.
从小到大都有。It comes in different materials. 有这么多不同的壶在这边，我们今天想要跟大家分享一些壶在某些部分要怎么称呼。The first one, neck. Neck 是颈，对不对？颈部叫 neck， 但在茶壶上 for the teapot, the neck is here. Yeah, neck. 壶颈叫 neck. And then 最简单的壶身就是身体。
Body.
Yes, correct. Excellent. Body. Then we're going to talk about like different shape of the body, the teapot body. Like some of them are square, 它们有方形的 and these are like the round 圆形的也有。Another one is 壶底。
壶底。
Bottom 是底部的意思。Bottom 壶底壶底就是 bottom。OK， 那正好我拿到这一支壶呢，蛮特别的。它是紫砂壶，所以我们要讲到每一个作家都会落款。So we're going to mention, talk about the stamp seal， 就是落款，我们中文叫落款或章款。那尤其我们讲章款或落款，那我们会讲说 stamp seal。stamp 就是印章的意思，像紫砂壶它后面会有章款，落款的章款，给大家看一下。然后呢，有的壶呢会有 signature， 我们叫签名。那签名大部分会在画作上，作家会有上面有 signature， 要签名。signature 大家用刻的，也可以叫 mark。像这位作家，他底下就是用，我们可以说 mark 或 signature。壶盖盖子，壶盖就叫 lid，L-I-D。然后呢，很多壶上面呢会有一个什么，有个气孔，有个洞，叫什么 air vent。air vent 就是气孔，这个 air vent 超大。这么小壶 air vent 超大 ，Oh, I can see through. Okay, through the air vent. So when we brew, like especially we use teapot, if there is an air vent on the top of the lid knob, 这叫做盖钮或壶钮。Okay, if there's an air vent on the lid knob, when we brew, don't block the air vent. 我们在泡的时候呢，不要挡住气孔，不然的话。它的
没办法出水，
对，出水，因为它是一个 circulation， 它是循环的，它水没有办法，我们说茶汤是没有办法出来的。
Next one，
壶把，我们的 handle， 然后呢有各种不同的材质。Okay, it comes in different material, of course. Like for example, this teapot comes in a wooden handle, 木的 ，OK, and some of them like it's just the pottery, 紫砂 clay, 紫砂紫泥的这个把。And some of them come from glass, and some of them comes from copper. 有人把铜也会接到这上面，这把就很特别啦。这把是银壶 ，it's a silver
试毒
teapot. Yes, especially for the emperor. 银壶呢，这把的样式呢，我们叫做侧把，我们叫做 sideway 或 side handle。基本上我们叫做 side handle， 是侧把壶。侧把壶，那泡法呢？大概是像这样子，示范给大家看。这样侧，这样出汤。当然，也可以这样子，这样子。Side handle。
提梁壶吧。
对，这就是提梁壶。因为中文在说提梁嘛，像一个梁的概念。好，有梁是上面，柱是直。以中文来说，梁是横，梁跟柱撑起我们的屋子。提梁叫做 top handle， 因为它在上面。top handle， 提梁。所以提梁壶。Top handle teapot， 提梁壶 Top handle teapot， 提梁。旅行组
Travel teaware。
Yes, travel teaware. It's very convenient and compact. 它非常方便，而且都可以全部都放在一起 ，like this. Okay, let's quickly show you guys the correct travel kit. Everything put in one.
制度性行销。
Yes.
要买的话找我们。
会打到骨折。Okay, we have a cover bowl, And this one, a serving pitch, what we call fairness cup, and 2 porcelain big and small teacup. So let me quickly show you how we put it together. Like this, and there you go, flip. Oh, and this is tea towel. Like that. And then, voila, done. And come within the hard case. We personally use that, so it's very convenient. Okay, let's talk about like most common material for the teapot. Okay, for example, 举例来说 ，ceramic 大家都会讲 ceramic。ceramic 其实它的意思是指陶瓷，泛指陶跟瓷。对，所以当我们听到英语系朋友讲说 ceramic， 那我常常会问他说，the material is pottery or porcelain。OK，porcelain 是瓷，我们用的白瓷 porcelain，and 陶土统称 pottery。有些人会比较喜欢瓷器啊，因为它比较容易清洗，它味道比较不容易被吸附到。那有些人喜欢陶，陶聚热性比较好，所以 it's all different kinds of material. Let's go on to the next one. Let's be the pronunciation 的发音会比较饶舌。Yeah, it's called kiln. It's not. It's kiln. K-I-L-N. Yeah, 我第一次发现这个单词的时候，我觉得蛮特别的。kiln. Yeah, kiln. 烧窑的窑的意思 kiln. So we have like different kinds of kiln. Gas, 瓦斯 electric, 电 wood fired, 柴窑 Okay, let's move on. 这也是非常有名的产湖的地区，叫做宜兴湖。Okay, if you see this is we call 宜兴 teapot. 宜兴 is direct translate. Okay, 宜兴 is from 江苏宜兴 so it's 宜兴 teapot. Also we call 紫砂 but 紫砂 is more like purple clay, 紫泥所做的宜兴壶才会叫紫砂。Like the 宜兴 teapot comes from different clay. 它有不同的断泥或不同的陶土所做的。好，泥料，对不起，我不能讲陶土，它是泥料所做的。啊，有不同的颜色，这个就很简单啦。有什么颜色呢？
紫色，
还有
绿色，
还有
红色，缎色，
缎泥，缎色。Fortify 就是比较像锻造的意思，但是锻的中文其实比较像 mixed. For me personally, I would say mixed clay. Mixed clay, mix 就是混在一起，像 DJ mix, you mix this music with this music, right? Okay, mixed clay 比较容易去让大家有一个联想。Mixed clay 你有 mix， 可能你有 purple 跟 red, so it comes from another color, very similar to purple clay. 那假设我们要讲宜兴出产的紫砂壶，像这把，还有年份的，对，我们要怎么说呢？
宜兴 Purple Clay Teapot.
Yes, this is the late 70s, early 80s 宜兴 Purple Clay Teapot. 1970年代末，1980年代初，宜兴紫砂壶。Okay, guys, that's about it for this episode. What vocabulary would you like to know about tea or tea culture? Please leave a comment below and let us know. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow tea lovers.
按赞、分享、订阅。
If I did something wrong, please also leave a comment to correct me. Okay? Thank you and see you in the next one. Bye.
See you.